In my last video, I showed a solution to fix a thermostat that has no power. I did that very same thing like in that video just now, and it didn't work. So, and just for those of you who've made the comment, no, this one does not have a battery in it, okay? There is no battery in this thermostat. This one does not take a battery, it's hardwired into the house. So, let's go downstairs and let me show you what I found. And I'm gonna use this to try to get it to come back on. I hope it works. All right, so let's go see. So here's the same spot like I showed you in the previous video. There is the outlet that had tripped in the last video, but you can see the red light is not on, so it's not been tripped. But what I did notice is there's a lot of water in here. All right, so it's like halfway full of water all the way around, and even in the pump there's like half full of water. What was that about? I just tapped it and it came on. Okay, it's draining the water out of the pump, but what about all this water? So let me go check the thermostat again real quick. Just came back up and the power is still off. So my thought right now is maybe the pump's going bad. First of all, that's one problem. Maybe the pump's going bad because when I tapped it, it came on. All right, so let's go try to drain the water out of the pan and see if that limit switch hadn't been tripped that checks for water. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this cup. This may take a while, but this may take quite some time. I'm just gonna keep doing this and just see if, I'm thinking that is the switch maybe that checks for water to see if it's got water in it, because there's a wire going to it. So I'm assuming that some kind of switch has been tripped and that's the problem. At least I've got my fingers crossed, and that's what I'm hoping is the problem. So let me keep doing this and I'll come check back with you, all right? I didn't do that very long. I got a better idea because that's gonna take too long. Got my shop vac. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this filter out so that I can use it to suck up some water. Let me empty that out, take the filter off, I'll put the top back on, and then we can vacuum out that water. Okay, I got it all sucked up, so I think it's coming out of here. This thing is just dripping water. The filter's wet, so I think it's just all the condensation. It just built up so much because it's actually quite hot and humid here. So let's go check the thermostat now. You can see me smiling. You can check it out. That's what it was. So the pump has to be empty and the pan around the air conditioner has to be empty. I'm hoping that it doesn't keep that up. Anyway, hope that helps you out. I figured I'd go ahead and record it to see if I can figure out what it was. If it helped you out, just give me a like, I guess. I don't know. See you.